Hello, hello, hello. It's your personal dental insider here once again. I'm making another video. Remember, I talked about us going back to the basics. So today we're just going to be focusing just a little bit about the tongue. So here I am giving you a clear idea of, description rather, of the tongue and all its functions. Of course, we know what those are, but just the theoretical version of it. Go. I covered that because that has a face there. I want to put that face in there. But there it is. And the different parts, how it's located, how it actually supports the jawline, and of course, its functions. Okay? So we'll talk more about the tongue. So can anyone tell me how important it is that we make sure that we keep our tongue clean? What's the side effect? Or what's the adverse reaction to not keeping our tongues clean? I'd like to hear from you about the tongue. It's one of the strongest muscles that we have. The lingual frenum. Here we are. Let's give you a little bit more view of this tongue. Remember, we're going back to the basics. So therefore, when you go back into the dental office, you'll have a bit more clearer understanding when they're talking about things to you. That's where the gag reflex is located, that area. I know a lot of people tend to experience that when they're in the chair as soon as anything hits in that location. Okay? All right, so again, I'd love to hear from you. Today we're talking about the tongue. Give you some more images of these glands that are located. Remember, we're going back to the basics. Any questions or concerns you have, and of course, I love to go over the treatment plans with you. So let me hear from you. Hear what was your last visit. When was your last visit to the dentist, of course, and how was it, and how did it make you feel after leaving? All right. So drop me a line, send me a comment, send me an email. I want to hear from you. Today's video is about the tongue.